Welcome back, everyone. Today we're diving into the world of Foodie Beauty, also known as Chantal Marie on YouTube. She's captured the attention of many with her unique blend of food, lifestyle content, and personal journey shared through her videos. In this video, we'll explore who Foodie Beauty is, how she got started on YouTube, what her channel is all about, and the impact she's had on her audience and the online community. Let's get started. Part 1. Who is Foodie Beauty? Foodie Beauty, whose real name is Chantal Marie, is a Canadian YouTuber who has gained a significant following for her food-centric content. Born and raised in Canada, Chantal began her YouTube journey in insert year, initially focusing on beauty and lifestyle topics. Over time, her channel evolved, reflecting her passion for food and cooking. Chantal's channel showcases a variety of content, including mukbangs, cooking videos, vlogs, and discussions on her personal life. She has cultivated a unique persona on YouTube, known for her candid approach and willingness to share both the highs and lows of her life with her audience. Part 2. Evolution of her content. Initially starting with beauty and lifestyle videos, Chantal transitioned into food-related content, particularly mukbangs. Mukbangs, a trend originating from South Korea, involve hosts consuming large quantities of food while interacting with their audience. Chantal's mukbangs often feature a wide array of dishes, ranging from fast food indulgences to homemade meals she prepares herself. One of the defining aspects of Chantal's content is her openness about her experiences with weight loss, health challenges, and mental health. She shares these aspects of her life candidly with her viewers, creating a sense of connection and empathy among her audience. Part 3. Signature style and approach. What sets Foodie Beauty apart is her unfiltered authenticity. She presents herself as she is, without pretense, inviting viewers into her world with honesty and humor. This genuine approach has resonated with many, as they see her as someone relatable and real in an era often dominated by curated and edited content. Her signature style extends beyond mukbangs and cooking. Chantal also shares vlogs that offer glimpses into her daily life, including outings, shopping trips, and personal reflections. These vlogs contribute to the intimacy of her channel, allowing viewers to feel like they are getting to know her on a deeper level. Part 4. Community and engagement. Foodie Beauty has cultivated a dedicated community on YouTube with viewers who eagerly anticipate her uploads and engage actively through comments and social media. Her channel serves as a platform for discussion on various topics, from food trends to personal struggles, fostering a sense of community among her audience. Chantal actively interacts with her viewers, responding to comments and addressing questions and concerns raised by her audience. This engagement has helped strengthen the bond between her and her viewers, creating a supportive environment where people feel comfortable sharing their own experiences. Part 5. Challenges and controversies. Like many public figures, Foodie Beauty has faced her share of challenges and controversies. Her openness about her struggles with weight, health issues, and personal relationships has sometimes sparked debate and criticism within the online community. Chantal has navigated these challenges with resilience, addressing criticisms directly and continuing to share her journey authentically. Her willingness to confront difficult topics head-on has garnered both support and scrutiny from viewers and critics alike. Part 6. Impact and influence. The impact of Foodie Beauty extends beyond her YouTube channel. She has inspired discussions about body positivity, mental health awareness, and the relationship between food and well-being. Her journey has resonated with viewers who see themselves reflected in her struggles and triumphs, finding solace and inspiration in her story. Through her content, Foodie Beauty has challenged stereotypes and promoted self-acceptance, encouraging her audience to embrace themselves fully and without shame. Her influence on the online community underscores the power of authenticity and vulnerability in connecting with others. A conclusion. In conclusion, Foodie Beauty, or Chantal Marie, has carved out a unique niche on YouTube by sharing her passion for food, her personal journey, and her life experiences with authenticity and candor. Her channel serves as more than just a platform for entertainment. It's a community where viewers find support, empathy, and inspiration. Whether she's indulging in a mukbang, sharing a cooking tutorial, or offering insights into her daily life, Chantal Marie continues to captivate her audience with her genuine approach and relatable content. As she continues to evolve as a content creator, one thing remains clear. Foodie Beauty's impact on the online community is significant and enduring. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of Foodie Beauty's journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, take care and keep exploring. Outro. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed learning more about Foodie Beauty and her journey on YouTube. If you have any thoughts or questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated on future videos. See you next time.